ZapppyJ, Lil Big Big, Überhoss, Fakeyeezies. Alright now, derivatives. Here we go. You want to learn calculus well? It is quite intuitive. Today we're learning about a topic called derivatives. First thing you need to know is the power rule. X squared becomes 2x. Please don't be a fool. Now we're moving on to the difference in sum. It really is the same changes, there are none. When you take derivatives, you rarely change the sign. Derivative of constants, 0. Please pay them no mind. If you have no exponent, then derivative's the coefficient. Listen closely to these rhymes and then you'll be omniscient. You want to learn calculus well, it's quite intuitive. Today we're learning about a topic called derivatives. Make sure you remember that it's the tangent line slope. Know your tricks, derivatives, please don't be a dope. F prime dy dx, that's the right notation. Second derivative's the same, it don't need no explanation. If you want to be a calculus master, make sure your derivatives get faster, faster, faster. Now we're moving on to topics a little more complex. You're not special for knowing basics harder than dy dx. Multiplying two terms can be a little tough, but product rule exists, so it's not very rough. Second term times derivative, the first, plus the same thing but done in reverse. Now we'll talk about when you do division. Make sure you know that the quotient rule is the right decision. Low D high sub high D low all over low squared. Remember that for the exam and your score might be spared. You want to learn calculus well, it's quite intuitive. Today we're learning about a topic called derivatives. Make sure you remember that it's the tangent line slope. Know your tricks, derivatives, please don't be a dope. There's one more rule to talk about, and this one is called chain. You best know when to use it or your grade will be in pain. Derivative of outer, keep the inside term the same. Times derivative of inside, it's chain rule, know it by name. You also need derivatives of the function's trig. When it comes down to importance, it is rather big. Derivative is negative when the function starts with c. Starting out with cosine, it's derivative of sine, you see. It goes the other way as well, remember the C rule. If you can't remember all your trig, you look like a fool. Secant and cosecant are themselves time cotangent. You'll get the hang of it soon, no need for angle management. The derivative of tangent is secant squared. Cotangent with cosecant, it works like a little pair. You want to learn calculus well, it is quite intuitive. Today we're learning about a topic called derivatives. Make sure you remember that it's the tangent line slope. Know your trig, derivatives, please don't be a dope. F prime dy dx, that's the right notation. Second derivative's the same, it don't need no explanation. If you want to be a calculus master, make sure your derivatives get faster, faster, faster. Alright y'all, we out. Peace. I'm about to get 2.